So I will be telling you how to archive an unarchived story on the Instagram. So for that, the process is very simple and easy. So what you have to do is to make sure that you follow the video till the end to get to know about it. So what you have to do is to put the story on your profile. And once your story is live on your profile, what you have to do is that you need to archive it. For that, the process is very simple and easy. Simply go to the profile, your story. Once it's been uploaded, wait for a few seconds till it gets uploaded. And here you can see that there's a more option. And in the more option, there's an archive button. And now you guys can see that and the story has been archived and people cannot see it. So go to the profile button. In the profile button, go to the three lines on the top right corner and go to the archive section. And in the archive, go to the stories and make sure that are you are currently watching the latest stories. So here, what you have to do is make sure that your story has been archived properly. Refresh the application and then go back to your profile and then go to the archive. And in the archive, go to the story that you want to unarchive it and simply go ahead and click on unarchive, and that way you'll be able to unarchive your story. So this is pretty much it. I hope you find this video helpful. Take care. Bye bye.